So you want to play Minecraft 1.20.1 with your friends? Well, in this video, we're going to show you all the easiest ways to get your friends playing together in Minecraft Java Edition. First things first, it's going to be using a public server. We have a list in the description of amazing survival servers that you can check out, but this will work with any public server, including Hypixel, which is actually the one we'll be joining here, but all these are great. Rustcraft, Applecraft, Survival Dust, they're all amazing. Go check these out if you're looking for more of a survival experience, but Hypixel is the most popular Minecraft server out there. It's got a variety of game modes, including Skyblock. Now, here we are. If we go ahead and transition into Minecraft, we can go ahead and click on Multiplayer, and then you want to click on Add Server. This is what you and all your friends will do to join the server. Hypixel is the server name, and whatever the server IP address is, whether you copied one from our website or you're just typing in Hypixel because you're going with that one, that's going to go right here. For Hypixel, it's mc.hypixel.net, but for any other, for example, for Rustcraft, it's play.rustcraftmc.com. It really does just depend on whatever server you're joining, what the IP address is. Click Done, and boom, there it is. It's now on the server list. Double click to join the server, right like so. So there you go. That is how you can join a Minecraft server. Your friends can join the server the same way, and you can all enjoy the server together, playing together as friends. However, there is one kind of caveat to this. If you play on a public server, you don't really have control over what happens on that server. You're at the whim of whoever owns that server, whether that be a massive company like Hypixel or whether it just be an individual. You are at the whim of whatever updates they want to add to the server, but also with things like data. You can lose the world. You can, lose what's on the server and what you've built and the memories you've made, if you will, if you play with your friends on a server that is public. Now, millions of players play on these servers, and that's up to you. It's the easiest way, and that's why millions of players play on them. But it's not the only way to play Minecraft with your friends. Another way is going to be using a server hosting company similar to SimpleGameHosting. As you can see here, this is a SimpleGameHosting server, and it looks just like Hypixel did, and you can join it just like you would Hypixel, right on into it. However, how do you get one of these yourself? Well, that's going to be by using this, and this is our company, SimpleGameHosting, and here you can start a Minecraft server. It's incredibly simple. So once you're here, you want to go ahead and choose your plan. Just click Get Started. For a vanilla server, meaning no mods, no mod packs, or maybe just a few plugins and up to 5 players, 2 GB server will work. Most people should probably go with a 4 GB server. It's going to give you more headroom, and if you want to add some mods, have a little more customizability, and make sure there's no lag, that's going to be the perfect option. So go ahead and click Get Started, and from here, what you want to do is go ahead, and I would recommend select Per, because that's going to give you the server the best performance, allow you to add plugins while still giving you a fully vanilla experience if that's what you're looking for. By default, the fastest data center near you will be selected. We've got 3 right now, but more are on the way. Once you've got that, go ahead, click Continue, confirm that this is what you want here, which it is, and then click Checkout. Go through the checkout process, and then once you check out, you want to be on the lookout for an email that is called Account Created. This will look like this, and in here, click the Set Up Your Account button and create your panel account. This panel that I'm talking about will look like this once you get logged in, and it's where you can access and change stuff on your server. Go ahead and click Manage Server on the server to see your entire server. From here, you can get your IP address by clicking Copy. Right up here, just click on the IP, and it will go ahead and copy it. You can also manage your server, for example, as I said, mod packs, right here they are. Versions, right here they are. If you want to switch your version to, let's say, Per or Vanilla, or update your server, that can all be done here. And we have the File Manager, which if you have Per, you can add in plugins. If you had Forge, you could add in mods, all of that stuff from here. So it's by far the easiest way to make a server, and all you got to do from here is just click copy your IP address, and then if we navigate back in to Minecraft, we can add this server. How do we do that? Well, again, we click Add Server. This is going to be our new SimpleGameHosting.com server. And then we can go ahead and paste in the server address, click Done, and it will go ahead and find it just like it finds any other Minecraft server. There it is. Double click on it and we will join right on in, and boom, we are now in this server. Now it is worth noting, if we go ahead and transition back to the desktop, I can prove that. Here it is. I can see I've joined the server multiple times. We are good to go. Additionally, if you do have any questions about your SimpleGameHosting server, we have amazing live chat support, which you can reach out to in the bottom left. Nonetheless, while SimpleGameHosting is the easiest way to start a server, you can also do it for completely free. And this guide is in the description down below, where we walk you through creating a Minecraft server 100% free. It covers everything not only in this video, but in this article to make sure you get your server up and running. It costs you $0, but it does use your own computer's resources. It also uses your own internet connection. You want to make sure the server's private. There's a lot of stuff you have to do. It's a lot harder than using SimpleGameHosting, but it can be 100% worth it if you do want to start your own server and not have to spend any money, which I know a lot of people out there are like that. And so we do provide that resource. Our goal is to provide the best options no matter what. So if you want to pay for a server, make it the simple way. We've got Simple Game Hosting for you. The breakdown.xyz/simple, by the way. Or if you want to start a server for free for just you and maybe one or two friends, we've got that solution for you as well. Now, there is one more way that I want to mention you can create a Minecraft server, and that is going to be using LAN, or basically local area network, to create a server. What do I mean by that? Well, let's go ahead and transition back over into Minecraft. And once we're in Minecraft here, what we want to do is go ahead and actually click on single player. We're going to invite our friends to our single player world. How do we do that? Well, we open it to LAN. Now, it's worth noting that in order for this to work, the person joining your server must be in the same house on the same Wi-Fi connection as you. That could be also if you're on Ethernet and they're on Wi-Fi, that would work, but you need to be connected to the exact same router, the exact same internet connection in the same location. If that's the case, though, maybe it's your brother, maybe your friends over at your house, whatever it is, it's super easy to start the server. Just go ahead and hit escape on your single player world, and then you'll see this open to LAN button. When you click on that, it's going to open up something that looks like this. You can just leave everything default here, even though I do recommend turning on cheats just because it's fun, and then we can click Start LAN World. Now, at this point, a LAN world is being hosted. As you can see, right here it is. How exactly do we join this? Well, let's go ahead and open up another Minecraft client and pop over to our friend's perspective. So I now have another Minecraft open. As you can see, the bigger one down here is the basically one that we're going to be joining our LAN world with. This one is hosting the LAN world. Now, in order to join a LAN world as your friend, all you got to do is click on multiplayer, click proceed, and wait a few seconds. Just say and wait, and then there it is. LAN world will appear. Just double click on it, and we'll join right on in. As you can see, here we are, looking good. Now, it is worth noting that this, again, will only work if you're at the same house on the same Wi-Fi connection. Otherwise, this isn't going to work. Nevertheless, that is how you can open a LAN world and let your friends in on your single player worlds. You can also add a single player world to a Minecraft server, whether that's when you're hosting yourself via the free method or whether that's when you're hosting with Simple Game Hosting. Either way, you can easily add a single player world to the server and play that world with your friends, but the only way to do that without having to create a server is, of course, the LAN world if they're at your house. Nevertheless, those are all the different ways that you can play Minecraft Java Edition with your friends. Let us know what method you're using in the comment section down below. My name is Nick, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.